Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. Start by opening settings, then you need to scroll down and click on privacy over here. Then go into app lock and click on this word next to app lock feature. Then select settings in the pop-up, tap on use a different password type and select one of those login methods. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter your login method and repeat it. Then you need to answer this security question or click on it. Pick one of those, like favorite restaurant, or create your own by choosing custom question. Type in it, save in it by choosing confirm and answering it correctly below. Then set your recovery email over here and click on the check mark at the top right corner when you finished. Then finally you can tap on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock. In my case it will be booking.com. So now when I click on the switcher and click home button, then try to access booking, as you can see pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!